Ness-ana TV. Okay, friends, welcome back to the class. Are you ready? The bedroom. The bedroom. That's our topic for today. The bedroom. Can you say that? Again. The bedroom. Today we are going to be talking about the different things we can find in our bedrooms. I'm sure you have a bedroom in your house. Let's go. Bed. Bed. Pillow. Pillow. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Split unit or air conditioner. Curtain. Curtain. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Television. Television. Stool. Stool. Side table. Side table. Table lamp. Table lamp. Standing fan. Standing fan. Very good, boys and girls. That's beautiful. All right, let's take it again, and this time I want you to repeat after me. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Can you say that? Bed. Pillow. Pillow. Can you say that? Pillow. Standing fan. Standing fan. Can you say that? I can hear you. Split unit, or you can say air conditioner. Air conditioner. Curtain. Curtain. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Can you say that? Wardrobe. Television. Television. Stool. Stool. I hope somebody is repeating after me. Stool. Side table. Side table. Can you say that? Side table. Good job. Table lamp. Table lamp. Can you say that? beautiful.